Hey friends, check it out. This is an electric grinder set for salt and pepper. It's made by July Home. On today's video, we're gonna open this up. We're gonna give it a test demo and our initial thoughts and review. Now take note that each grinder requires 4 AAA batteries that are not included in the packaging. Now it does have a gravity sensor, a warm light, and a nice modern design. And as you can see, there's multiple parts here, including a ceramic grinder for your different spices, and then a coarseness adjustment knob. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, inside the box, you can see what the grinders look like. These are really, really good looking. So you've got the labels here for pepper, salt on the other one, obviously. You've got the little brand logo down here. The ceramic grinder is going to be inside, and then we have our little adjustment knob up here. You can see the little dots indicating which type of coarseness for that grind that it's going to give you. On the back, we've got a little compartment here, and this is where you're going to stick the larger granules of salt and pepper that will need to be ground up. We have our power on and off button down here, and then we have a little compartment down at the bottom to unlock, and this is where the batteries are going to go. So this little compartment actually just twists slightly, and that cap will come off, and we'll put 4 AAA batteries down here at the bottom. Okay, we've got the batteries loaded on our salt grinder. And so let's go ahead and fill up this little compartment here with the salt that we want to be ground. Now, basically this is just a plastic cover that can be removed. As you can see here, I have coarse sea salt. Again, maybe I just want this specific style of salt to be ground up a little bit more. You may be using pink Himalayan salt. We'll just fill this up here. Make sure you don't overflow. It's probably good for now. And then we'll put our little slip cover back on and lock it into place. Then all we need to do is come down and actually turn on the grinder. Now again, you won't hear anything turn on, and this is where stuff gets really, really cool. Because it's gravity fed, it'll automatically turn on and begin grinding once you turn it upside down. Watch what happens. Got a little LED light. As you can see, the grinder is now working, and we're getting our salt coming out onto our plate. As soon as you're done, you can release it and put it back. As you can see, it automatically stops once it's in the upright position. Very, very cool. So there you go, friends. That's the July Home Gravity Electric Grinding Set for salt and pepper. Definitely some cool products. If you're interested in getting these for yourself, we'll put some links in the description box below. Hopefully that's made your shopping experience just a little bit easier. If it has, stay tuned. We're actually making a ton more of these little product review videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.